All right, so we're back here at Google Colab, and now we are ready to start. But before we continue writing code, we need to actually upload the data that Lucian received. So, how do we upload the data? Right, so let's go back to our computer, and this is the zip file that Lucian received. And I mean, you also have it. You can download it from the course, the tutorial site. So we're going to unzip it. Okay, so we're going to extract everything. We're going to put it right here in the same folder. Okay, it's done. We have here inside the data that Lucian received. Now, how do we upload this into Google Colab? Well, let's go back to the Colab tab. And if we look here on the left side, there is a little folder in this left menu called Files. So if we go here in the top, there is a button that says Upload to Session Storage. So this is how we can upload data into the cloud machine of Google. Uh, you can actually click here and one by one select the files, but actually you can select all of these files and just drag and drop them directly. Okay, if you put them here, you can see that the files are uploading one by one. And now we have all of them here. And that's how we upload data into Google Colab.